Hello crystal lovers and spiritual seekers. Welcome to another video from Divine Path 333. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of chrysoprase, a rare and powerful gem known as the Stone of Hope. Chrysoprase is a light green variety of quartz found most abundantly in Russia, Germany, Poland, and Australia. But don't be fooled by its soft appearance. This stone carries powerful energy and a rich history dating back to ancient times. Did you know that chrysoprase is mentioned in the Bible? That's right. Along with 11 other precious stones, it makes up the famous founding passage of the New Jerusalem. Its history stretches from ancient Egypt to the Roman Empire, where it was highly valued. But what makes chrysoprase so special? Well, in addition to its unique beauty, this stone has incredible mystical and therapeutic properties that make it a valuable ally in our spiritual and healing journey. Let's start by talking about its therapeutic benefits. Esotericists believe that chrysoprase has the incredible ability to broaden our vision, not just physically, but in all aspects of life. Therefore, it is considered excellent as an adjunct in the treatment of eye problems. From high eye pressure to classic problems such as myopia and tired eyes, chrysoprase can be a powerful ally for the health of your eyes. But the benefits of chrysoprase don't stop there. One of the most significant effects of this stone is its ability to help control sleep disorders. Do you have difficulty sleeping? Do you suffer from nightmares or sleepwalking? Chrysoprase may be the solution you are looking for. According to some scholars, simply place a chrysoprase stone under your pillow at night. The stone's calming vibrations will penetrate your being, providing restful and peaceful night's sleep. Imagine waking up every morning feeling truly rested and refreshed. Now, let's talk about the mystical properties of chrysoprase. This stone is known to be a powerful amplifier of spiritual energy. It can help open your mind to new possibilities and perspectives, allowing you to see the world in a completely new way. Chrysoprase is particularly beneficial for those born under the signs of Gemini, Pisces, Aquarius, and Cancer. If you are one of these signs, chrysoprase may be especially powerful for you, helping to amplify your natural qualities and support your spiritual growth. But don't worry if you're not one of these signs, chrysoprase can benefit us all, regardless of our zodiac sign. Its gentle but powerful energy can help us find hope in difficult times, believe in our abilities and see the positive side of situations. For those who work in healthcare, nurses, doctors and other professionals, chrysoprase can be particularly beneficial. Your healing energy can help amplify your own healing abilities, allowing you to provide even better care to your patients. Now, you might be wondering, how can I use chrysoprase to enjoy all these incredible benefits? Well, there are several ways to incorporate this powerful stone into your life. First, it is important to remember that chrysoprase is an energy-sensitive stone. To keep it in its best condition, avoid letting other people touch it. You should even avoid handling it too frequently to avoid overloading it with energy and requiring constant cleaning and re-energizing. If you want chrysoprase to transmit its vibrations into your home or work environment, place it discreetly in a corner where it can radiate its energy throughout the space. This can help create an atmosphere of peace, hope and positivity in your environment. For personal use, chrysoprase can be used in any type of adornment, necklaces, earrings, bracelets. However, many report excellent results when using chrysoprase in rings. This allows the stone to be in direct contact with your skin, allowing you to absorb its powerful vibrations throughout the day. Remember, chrysoprase is a rare stone and is becoming increasingly scarce. This means that its value in the jewelry market is increasing every year. If you have been considering purchasing chrysoprase for therapeutic or mystical purposes, now may be the ideal time to make that investment in your spiritual well-being. Speaking of investing, I have some exciting news to share with you. To celebrate the incredible power of chrysoprase, we are offering a special discount coupon to all of our viewers. You can find the coupon code in the comments of this video. Use it in our online crystal store to purchase your own chrysoprase at an exclusive discount. Before we wrap up, I would like to remind you to subscribe to the Divine Path 333 channel for more amazing content about crystals, spirituality, and personal growth. Activate the bell to receive notifications about our new videos and don't miss any of our tips and spiritual insights. Remember, chrysoprase is more than just a pretty stone, it's a portal to hope, healing, and spiritual growth. By incorporating it into your life, you are opening the doors to a new perspective, a clearer vision, and a brighter future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. May the power of chrysoprase light your path and fill your life with hope and possibility. Namaste.